Arlene, and today I am making volcanoes. Only need baking soda, white vinegar, and food coloring. I picked blue. Let's start. I'm using this equipment to put it in here, and then I'm going to put the baking soda. And make it inside. Almost done. Okay. Now I am going to put the food coloring in my vinegar. And then I'm going to move every single way because it's going to explode. So put that all. And I can mix this too. Ooh, pretty color. Alright, make sure you have like a good sink here, or you're doing it in the backyard or where you have it, because it's going to explode. So, alright. Oh, whoa. That was cool. It went very fast. Whew. And now it's fizzing. You know why baking soda and the vinegar makes a volcano? Because vinegar is acid. When they react together, they form carbonic acid. Guess what? I just realized I can do something about how it fizzes. So take the bottle of whatever that's how much in it. Look. Isn't that cool? Now it's all fizzing. Oh! Put all in and then it's gonna fizz. Spread. Do you know why it's fizzing? It's because when the baking soda and vinegar touches each other and mixes, the gas escapes, and that's why it's fizzing. And yeah, it fizzes a lot. This was a very cool science experiment. You should try this at home. And make sure to like and subscribe. So, bye!